Pilgrims are flocking to a small village in Russia's Republic of Dagestan to witness what's being called a miracle. A 9-month-old boy has stunned the predominantly Muslim society after signs from the Holy Quran allegedly started appearing on his skin. Stacey Bivens investigates.
Miraculous markings. These writings have inspired thousands of Muslim pilgrims to visit the modest home of 9-month-old Ali and his parents. In the Russian Southern Republic, the family says soon after Ali was born, strange markings began to appear. First on one part of his body, then another. It turns out that the characters were verses from the Holy Quran.
Родители еще подробнее расскажут, но то, что весь этот процесс, который я сам видел, они ко мне звонят, и когда появляется, я прихожу, читаю аяты, надписи с начала месяца Рамазана. Начали аяты и надписи. А до этого появлялись, значит, имя Аллаха там, на разных органах, да? На плече, там, на спине, над грудью, ближе к сердцу. В основном они появлялись ближе к сердцу. Ни разу не было, чтобы на правой руке появлялась, она появлялась, значит, на левой руке. Начало месяца Рамазан, говорит, болеет, когда, допустим, берет ее в руки, приходят люди, смотрят, значит, разные люди бывают, и поднимается температура, ну, какой-то вред получается ребенку. Наверное, все не буду прокомментировать. Ну, и еще одно, в конце месяца Рамазан, перед вечерним азаном, Шамиль, отец мне звонит, приходи, говорит,
It's hard to predict the future for this child. He needs to be guarded, though, because enemies of Islam may kill him. This place may become sacred, and people should pilgrimage here.
An estimated 2,000 believers and interested spectators have come with camera in hand to witness what some believe is a religious phenomenon. Ali's mother explains that every Monday and Friday her son suffers from a high fever. It's at this point that the markings appear. She says she and her husband were afraid to share this miracle with others, and that concerned friends warned them to keep quiet.
The boy's father related this to me. I advised him not to tell anyone. Later he took pictures of the ayats on his mobile phone and showed me.
As for doctors, they failed to see a medical explanation for Ali's condition. But for this town, unified in its belief in the message authenticity, the writings are a miracle. A miracle that not only carries a religious imperative, but also explains why Ali was reportedly healed from a heart condition and from cerebral palsy shortly after the writings began to appear.